I got some new tires that came in today because these ones kind of getting a little low on tread. That's weird. This one has a little bit more, but I was just noticing the roll pan's like, oh, there we go. It's fixed. Never mind. We're good. It's good. Must have been where it caught coming out of the gas station. Anyways, we're going to finish them off a little bit more so we can get the new tires put on and see what happens. So let's do this. Well, got the tires and wheels off. This one still has decent tread. This one, not so much. Got my money's worth out of it. Oh yeah, it actually started coming apart. But I got my money's worth out of that one. That one could have gone longer, but oh well. We got new tires, we'll get them put on. They're actually just a hair shorter, so we'll see how I like them. Side note though, I just picked these up too. 50 bucks for the pair. Looks like somebody tried to spray paint tint them, which coincidentally somebody had done to the marker lights on this. So I buffed and cleaned them all up and they actually turned out pretty good. So I'll just try and do the same thing on the headlights, toss them in there and we'll be set to go. But that's it for now. I'll check in with you tomorrow. I'll show you the tires. Uncle Kyle. Got my new tires mounted up. A little bit shorter, a little bit less tread. We're set to do burnouts, huh, Kyle?
Hell yeah.
Well, we're gonna go and do a burnout because we got the new tires on the front because they're a little bit shorter, so we were gonna burn off the front ones so that I could have an excuse to order the same size for the rear. But we discovered this little guy. I don't know how well that shows up on there, but that's not very good. So now we're gonna park the thing until a wheel bearing shows up, so that's cool. So I'm gonna say we're gonna finish putting this together, and that's it for this video. So thanks for watching, guys. Idaho Man out.